good, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel. Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Today we are going camping. That's right. We are out here going to Spoonbill. It's Friday. I ain't got no job. I ain't got shit to do. So we going camping. Ain't that right, baby?
Yep.
So here we go. Just had to stop and get some gas, and we're gonna continue on. It's gonna take us about another 35 minutes. So we'll see you when we get there. Peace. To our spot, man. This is our view from here. Spot 42. 41. 42 is right there. That's the one we usually get, but they got it already. I'm not very happy. But anyway, all right, so first things we're gonna do is level the thing. We're gonna level the camper, man, and then we'll unhook completely, and then we'll start hooking up all the hoses, and I'll show y'all how we do all that. I've never shown y'all how we hook up the camper, so, or unhook the camper and set it up, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that this time. So check this out. See my little leveler in there?
Nope.
So that thing there lets me know when it's level, since I don't have an automatic leveling system. So we gotta raise this side up a little bit, and then the front. Put this here. And we'll probably only have to come up a smidge. So let me back the truck up. Scissor jacks. If you don't have an impact or a drill motor, get one for it. It makes it so easy. Don't forget your wheel chocks. Still green?
Yep.
Yeah. Now, hook up the water. Power's already hooked up. We'll turn the AC on real quick and let that start getting cooled down. And then we'll run the water, and then the very last thing we'll run the sewage. So
AC first.
AC first. Put this on the end of the camper off the connection there to where it'll drop down into the filter, but this one's been leaking, so I got this. Hopefully it works. You want the angle dangle just because it prevents the filter from putting a lot of pressure on this connection here. I always want to have a filter, a pressure regulator on your filter, or coming out of the spout, either one. I put one of these splitters on the water connection, so just in case I need just an extra water hose, I don't have to unhook my water supply to the camper. So this is what I did. Pressure, the water flows this way, so this is gonna flow straight into the camper. Got the pressure regulator here, water supply here. We're gonna run it just to clean the filter up real quick. And you want to do that, like, especially if you buy a brand new one, because that charcoal in there, you'll let it run for a second and a bunch of the black stuff will come out, and then you hook it up once it starts running clear. See, it still hangs a little bit, but it's the best I can do with it. All right, let's turn it on. There we go. We got that. Now, time for the sewage. I always want to wear gloves. Don't get no poo-poo on you. Okay, black tank, black valve we're gonna leave closed. Gray valve we're gonna open and just let it run until like a couple days before we leave. Or I mean, like the day before, we'll close it and let it fill up, and then that way it'll help flush out the black tank, the black portion of the tank. That's it. We're all hooked up. We're ready to rock and roll. Now it's just time to pay the campsite and drink a beer. So we'll see you in a minute. Good morning, Kimbo. It's another beautiful morning here in Spoonbill. Look at this sunrise. Ooh, yeah. So me and the wife just out here sitting, drinking some coffee. But I'm about to get ready and go do some fishing. Last night we just hung out, man. I did a little bit of fishing. Caught some trout, some small ones, and some gaff top. But other than that, that was it. I didn't spend too much time out there though. But today, probably be a day of fishing. So I'll take y'all along with me, see if we catch anything. And just had to have my morning coffee. So we'll see you in a little bit. Alright, Kim folks, today's Sunday. We're about to head out, but we're gonna watch a movie first. We didn't catch no fish. I mean, we caught some little bitty ones, but nothing exciting. So that's why you didn't see none of that. We're gonna watch this movie. Hopefully I don't fall asleep before then. And so, we'll see you on the next one. Much love, much respect. I'm not gonna lie.